Hello students, today we will discuss part 10 for chapter number 3. It is for class 10, part 10. Here now you have done all the concepts of chapter number 3. So today I am going to give you some questions to solve from chapter number 3. Before giving the questions, we will discuss some concepts, all the concepts of chapter number 3. Okay. So what we have done, it is called linear equation two variables. So example we have taken like this: 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, y is equal to 2x or 2x minus y is equal to 0. So all these types of equations we have taken. Then general form of a pair of linear equation in two variable, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then solution of a pair of linear equation two variables. Here we have done two types of methods: graphical method and algebraic method. Graphical method you have done from first statement. You will find first equation, then you will separate y and find the coordinates. You will plot the coordinates on the graph and find the solution. Then what we have done, algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. Here we have done substitution method. There you will substitute the value of x and y in given equation. Then elimination method we have done, where we have to eliminate or terminate any one variable. Then we have done cross multiplication method, and in cross multiplication method I told you have to put the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 in this form: b1 b2 c1 c2 a2 a1 a2 and b1 b2. Then at last we have got the value of x is this: b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And these are the conditions for the equations, the pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. So consistent where we have the solution, or inconsistent where we are not having any type of solution. So a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Intersecting lines will be there. So we are having equations is consistent. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. In these types of pair, in this case the pair of linear equation is inconsistent, because here we are not having any type of solution. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here we are having infinitely many solutions, so it will be consistent. So these types of equations we have done. These were the concepts of this chapter. Now I am giving you questions to solve. Question number 1. Two lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one of the lines, 4x plus 3y is equal to 14. Then find the equation of the second line. Then question number 2. Question number 3. In question number 3, you have to check it out and justify your answer. Question number 4, you have to solve these equations by substitution method. Question number 5, here you have one condition. For what value of k the system of equations has no solution? It means parallel line will be there. Question number 6 is a problem sum. Form the equation and solve by any method. Question number 7, here also you have one condition. Equations have infinite number of solutions. See question number 1 to 7. Then come this side. Question number 8, solve for x and y. You can solve by any method. 1 upon x minus 1 you can take a, and 1 upon y minus 2 you can take b. Then question number 9, determine graphically whether the following pair of linear equations a unique solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solutions. So you have to check by the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Question number 10 is also problem sum. Form the equation and solve it. And these are the answers of these questions. You can check your solution with the answers. Now you will be doing the practice for this chapter. Thank you.